Hello guys, this is a new Wiha utility knife. Yeah, this is the previous one that I have with what you need to use two hands. Yeah, and then here and has the here the compartment to storage blades. This is a new one, which is this is plastic. This now is a metal construction. It feels very nice on hand, and it's easier to open and close. And this is next to the Wiha fastback, just for size comparison. This is awesome actually, right? Because of the screwdriver here. This one is just a single blade. It's a nice. To remove the blade, it says here the push, pull up and pull. Yeah, so it's very easy to change the blade. It's nice. I just think I'm still probably more this one. Well, this feels good. It feels a little more heavier actually. Let me see the weight. Let's check in the scale. This weighs 143 grams versus 133. Yeah, feels heavier. 10 grams, right? This is in pounds or ounce. 5 ounce versus 4.73. Yeah, this is a metal one, and yeah, it feels nice. Well, if you like Wiha, well, now there is this new utility knife. Yeah, I guess I like this one better than the old version. This is too bulky and even more heavier, just because it has the storage, but yeah, this is a very simple one and it's very nice for all day job. Well, I don't know if I still gonna like it more than this. Well, okay guys, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.